Yung four things na yon, thank you, I appreciate. Tapos parang open-ended. Thank you, I appreciate, I'm sorry, and I love you. So yun, you have to tell this to your parents. Kasi parang to start the ball rolling yan eh. Kasi pag nag-usap sila, makakapag-alaman namin may problema yung pamilya. Marami kaming mga estudyante na kinausap mo lang, yun lang hindi nila kayang masabi yun. Sasabihin sa amin, hindi ko po sabi, doktora. Hindi kaya nga nagpa-practice tayo, parang gano'n. Sasabihin na nila lahat ng problema nila.
Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Christine Albakyat, and this is Chat with Peds, where I interview experts in the field in order to empower you and give you the confidence to raise happy and healthy kids. My guest is a colleague and a very good friend. She is Dr. Maria Cristina or Christy Tierra. She is a board certified pediatrician of the Philippine Pediatric Society. And she is also a training consultant at Southern Isabela Medical Center, where we both work and where we both train residents. She is also the incoming vice president of Santiago City Medical Society of the Philippine Medical Association. And she is also an officer and assistant secretary of Philippine Pediatric Society Northeastern Luzon. And this talk is sponsored by the Philippine Pediatric Society Northeastern Luzon, and we are here to promote the project of PPS NEL, the Project Teen Inspired. Dr. Christy is a wonderful resource for all the questions that I have on Gen Peds. And she is also a doting mother to two kids. So join me as Doc Christy and I talk about teenage pregnancy. Hi, Doc Christy. Welcome.
Good afternoon, Tin. I'm so happy and I appreciate this opportunity to be able to talk to you in your show.
Yes. So let's get started. Doc Christy, paano po ma-address yung teenage pregnancy problem through this teen-inspired po?
So, ang Philippine Pediatric Society, they thought of things how to approach this problem. Kasi, di ba, hindi mo nang pwedeng turuan ng family planning ang isang bata. I mean, sa ating conservative country, sa DepEd pa lang, it's a big no-no. So, pag-uusapan lang ang sex, hindi rin alam eh, di ba? So, ano
Oo.
ang approach ng PPS? Holistic. Ibig sabihin, ipapasok mo yung parents, ipapasok mo yung estudyante, tapos yung school mismo, magkakaroon ng workshop seminar. It is holistic and life-changing parang activity. Ibig sabihin, mag-uusap yung parents at yung anak niya, tapos yung tuturuan namin kung paano i-face ng teenager yung problems niya mismo. Kasi minsan, di ba, sabi ko yung causes ng teenage pregnancy is marami. And most of the time, yung mga teenagers, let's face it, confused sila. They don't know what they want. They don't know who they are. They don't know what they want to be in the future. So, yun lang, at dun tayo sa pinaka-root of the problem, themselves and their relationship with their parents. Kasi why the parents? Because you have to engage the family because pagkatapos ng event yung workshop na yun, sino ang titingin sa mga bata? Yung mga parents. So, sino ang sa kanila? Yung mga parents pa rin. So yun ang kaya kailangan family is there, then the school, and then the children. So itong mga workshops na ginagawa namin is day-long yan. We talk to the students. It's a modular, parang 3 modules, and then 1 module with the parents. So, and the last part of that is the interactive session where the kids will talk to their parents. Parang ganon.
Oh, that's good. Pero involved din doon ang teachers. Paano po sila na-involved din doon?
Actually, yung pagpapafacilitate, we give them everything na yung mga modules, kung ano yung pwedeng, paano gawin nila para i-follow up, kumusta na yung mga estudyante. Tapos, Sa last part kasi na interactive, madalas kulang ang mga mami, walang guardian, wala siguro
Paano yun, Dok?
kung walang parents, ang nangyayari, yung teachers ang mag-stand as parent. So, yung kakausapin ng estudyante is yung parent. Mag-uusap lang, simple lang.
Yeah.
Like, musta ka? Kasi ang mangyayari yan, at the end of the workshop, we will tell the students to go to your parents and tell them four things. So, yung four things na yon, thank you, I appreciate. Tapos parang open-ended. Thank you, I appreciate, I'm sorry, and I love you. So yun, you have to tell this to your parents. Kasi parang to start the ball rolling yan eh. Kasi pag nag-usap sila, makakapag-alaman namin may problema yung pamilya. Marami kaming mga estudyante na kinausap mo na, yun lang hindi nila kayang masabi yun. Sasabihin sa amin, hindi ko po sabi, doktora. Hindi kaya nga nagpa-practice tayo, parang gano'n. Sasabihin na nila lahat ng problema nila. So parang alam mo, ang problema lang talaga yung relasyon nila sa pamilya. Kapag na-strengthen yung family, everything else follows. Yun ang aming parang, ayun ang aming trust, ito yung hope namin. Kaya we go on and look for schools, we go and introduce this to other, minsan sa youth programs, youth coordinators.
Mm, that's so good. Bali, Dok, yung sa pagkakaintindi ko, yung dapat
Ah,
na address na dapat pag-usapan ng magulang sa bahay na minsan hindi
mm,
nagagawa kasi pwedeng walang time, nahihiya, di alam
yeah.
kung ano i-start or i-open up. Sina-start ng
Mm.
PPST Inspired sa school na nag-facilitate ang school. That's so good. Yes, and naniniwala din ako totoo niyan na it all starts sa family, then dapat isi-strengthen. So, yeah. Kamusta
So
na sa
after,
Apo?
sorry, add ko lang. So,
Yes.
na-strengthen mo yung family. At the end of it pa, after you talk with them, we challenge them. We
Mm.
challenge them to sexual abstinence before marriage. So,
Ah,
yun yung pinaka take home namin. Hindi lang tayo mag-stop sa family, i-challenge mo sila na mag-abstinence. So, kaya in that way, abstinence alone, gusto namin makat yung teenage pregnancy rate. Parang ganun. Yun ang approach namin.
okay, okay. That's so good.